Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pin any apps on your phone so that no one can use any other apps while you handle your phone to someone. For that, open up your settings and search for security here. Now you can see screen pinning here, just click on that. Just activate this. If you can't activate, click on navigation gestures here and switch to virtual buttons. Now activate this, and what you have to do next is click any apps that you want to pin. Now take the app from your recents and you can see two dots here. Now click on that and just click on pin. Now click on OK. Now this app is pinned. If you want to go back, then you have to press this and um, back button and your recent button together. And now it will take you to your lock screen. So now you have to give your password, and now the app is unpinned.